Welcome into our demo on the business benefit budget tool today, everybody. I'm so excited to share with you what this all looks like so that way you can jump in and fill this out for yourself. So that way we can give you some more clarity on what your benefits offering is and where you could even optimize some things. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. This is just like your regular desktop. We need a web page. That's the first thing we need. What web page do we need? abbotfamilyagency.com. And then on abbotfamilyagency.com, we're going to go to our homepage right here, as you can see, my beautiful family. And then right here in the toolbar up top is the business benefit budget tool. Go ahead and click that. You're going to have a form here. Answer these questions based on your business. Let's say 26 to 50 employees, and are we offering benefits, and what industry are you in? So you're going to fill this out, and then based on that, we're going to analyze some best fit solutions based on your responses of which strategies might be able to improve your costs and or benefits package altogether. So once you fill that out, you'll give us your email address so that way we can send this to you, and then we'll send you your own detailed report on which option is going to be best for you. So based on the answers that I put in here, which it notes, for a 15 to 150 person company, looks like level funded is going to be my recommended option here. It's got a lowest cost of $325 per month, a median cost of $525, and on the high end about $800 a month. Where do we land Abbott Family Insurance for this? At about $509 per month. And then we also have another recommended option here for the ICRA. So based on how you fill this out, we will provide you with additional information to go ahead and get started, because just right here, you can either go ahead and click the button to speak with a licensed advisor about these strategies and get that process going that way. Or if you would like, you can actually just get a census and upload it directly into this secure Dropbox, and we can actually do a contact-free quoting process for you and your business without ever having to speak with a licensed advisor. We'll put options together based on your report so that way we can best analyze your situation. Really exciting stuff here, guys. This is going to be a friction-free shopping process when it comes to your employer benefits. I'm so excited to offer this to you guys, and jump on, try it out, and I look forward to helping you with your business.